I'm doing the 1, 2, 3, 4 part.
Ooh, look at that pattern. A nuclear pattern, yeah. Oh, it's so close.
Yeah, it's getting close. Yeah, I know.
Oh, you did it! Oh, let me see. Whoa, nice. It really was close. You did it. Look at how crazy. You know how many seconds? You did it in about 2 minutes.
It was pretty hard to fully scramble.
Yeah, you did a good job. You scrambled it pretty well, I think. Good job. You did it again. How many times is that now?
I'm gonna
Like
scramble
20
it
times?
again and solve it again and again. Okay, I have it all. No, that's not very much scrambled. Whoa! I finally figured out the scrambling algorithm.
There's no scrambling algorithm. You just scramble it.
Okay, let's solve
Just
it.
move it around a whole bunch.
Oh. Probably I need a lip balm. Ow.
You pinch your fingers.
Yeah, it just bumped right onto the cube. How hilarious that I have. How hilarious is that, Paul? Look at the pattern. That's so crazy.
Oh, he's almost done already. Yeah, I think this one's definitely a little easier than a 3x3.
It's way easier. I tried it before and I figured out the algorithms since I solved it. And I could make the best tutorials on YouTube to solve this thing. Yeah!
Oh my goodness, that was fast. Whoa. Oh, jeez. You solved it twice in a row. Whoa.